going to make our first Christmas decoration, and it's going to be a robin. So I think it's been voted the most popular bird in the UK for several years. I've just done a rough drawing on cardboard, just the back of the cereal packet. He's quite a big guy, but I want him to have a really nice big red chest, because that's what they are known for. I've done a separate head and 2 pieces for the wings, because I think just building up the layers of felt is going to make it look really pretty. So we are making it out of felt, so it's nice and easy. And I've got this really nice mix of wool felt, so you can use your normal craft felt, but I'm going a little bit nicer with this. There's not going to be that many embroidery stitches on it, it's just more of a decoration. So I wanted to use nice materials. I've got a couple of different coloured brown scraps, so I think we will make up the pieces out of 2 different browns and a nice red. We will then do some features on the face and the beak, some decorative stitches on the wings and the breast, and then sew it all together. So here are the 2 pieces, front and back. You've got to try and make them exactly the same size, but if they're not quite the same size, don't keep trimming, because then you will just end up with a really small bird. Just decide which is going on top. I would probably put the smaller one at the back. Just make sure when you're sewing them together that you catch both sides in your stitching. I am not a very good cutter, to be honest. I think it's because I use my I think it's because I use my right hand for cutting, but it's my left eye that is dominant, so it doesn't do a very good job. So here we have all the different pieces. And already you can recognise the type of bird it is. And I think it's looking pretty because of the fabrics that we've used, the nice quality felt. So it's not going to be an ornament that needs a lot of decoration. And I'm actually thinking to do away with the headpiece. I think this might be enough. So we're going to do some decorative stitching on the feathers, the wings, and on the chest, and then I'll see if we want the headpiece as well. But otherwise we'll have an eye, and I think the beaks are yellow, so a little yellow beak. So it's easy enough to find a red that will sort of show up, but is not too bright. This was really difficult because I thought I was looking for brown, but it's actually quite grey. And in the end I've gone for a slightly pinky tone, which I just think works. I'm not even sure why, but I think it works. And for this brown, we've got a pinky brown as well, so it should all blend together nicely. This isn't obviously a photorealistic robin. It is a decorative robin, so the colours are decorative colours. So we are getting there now. We have red breast, just need to trim the ends. I have done that in fly stitch. I was going to go really neat little rows, very uniform like feathers, but it didn't really turn out like that, which is kind of typical of me. And here we have our wing. So I've attached the two wing pieces together. What we need to do now is, I think, just a little French knot for the eye and a beak. So I've looked it up, and apparently adults have yellow beaks with black tips and young robins just have black beaks. I think if I can find a nice yellow, I will do yellow and black as a little extra accent colour, which will go nice with the red. Then we are at the point of sewing it together and maybe just doing a little bit of padding, but not too much. So we're going to sew around the edge. You could do blanket stitch, an over stitch, running or back stitch, as long as it's secure. I'm going to put a tiny little bit of stuffing in, and if you are making this into perhaps a tree decoration or a hanging decoration, in between your two layers, make sure you put some kind of hook so you can hang it up. So it doesn't matter where you start from, as long as you leave a gap to fill it up. I'm going to start with this tricky bit here, I think. And just go through one layer of your fabric, then your knot will be on the inside.